Okay, here's some more updates. I put some lips on here to mount the glass to. I gotta clean it up, weld it a little bit, grind it a little bit. I got a lip on the bottom to mount the front windshield to. I filled in the top. I put a piece of tubing across to mount the windshield. I filled in this top section with some sheet metal I had around. So I gotta clean that up so I can paint it. The inside is welded there. I put flanges down this side and the other side. I put flanges top and bottom for the rear window. So we're getting along. I think I'm going to do a frame for the top to mount the top on. And I got latch handles on both sides now, so that so the doors will be all set. Still not too heavy, the whole thing. But that's where we're at now. I'll be back soon. Alright. Started priming. So that stuff is primed and painted before I put it back on the tractor. So here's the cab. Now that it's primed, starting to look better. Looks good, I think. I'm going to paint it black, gloss black. Okay guys, here we go. I got the frame painted. I got it back on the tractor. So that's kind of what it looks like now that it's all black and painted. Just a quick coat of paint and primer and paint. I know I'm going to have to do a couple other odds and ends to it, but right now that's what it's looking like. Let me see if I'll put the top down, the hood down quick. I did kind of nick one of the coolant lines, so I'm gonna have to fix one of the coolant lines. But there's how we're looking. Goes on here pretty solid too, like the whole machine. You know, it shakes the whole machine rather than it being flimsy. So I'm pretty happy with that. All right, now I'll show you when I get a little further along.